Hello, my name's Chris from bitsbobsandoddjobs. Today I thought I would run through some drill bits. It's a very common thing to do some DIY on the weekend, but knowing what to buy, the right drill bit and what to use it on is sometimes unclear. So thought I'd clear it up. Camera, should you follow me down? We have here a masonry bit. I think looks very similar to a hammerhead shark. It's got these slightly outstanding sides which look a bit like, I think, a hammerhead shark's with its eyes either side. And we have a wood bit. You can see here it's got a sharp point at the end. Once you've decided on your drill hole point, stick it in, it grips, and it drill through. Thirdly, you have a metal bit here. Also can be used on wood. Always remember when using these that let the drill and the drill bit do the work. Don't push. Then we have here a bit holder. So these, when you come to screw in your screw, we've got the Phillips, a bit like the top of a hot cross bun, and we've got a flat head. And these just magnetically hold in. Very good bit of kit, this. And you can take it out and change it whenever you want. So that, in a nutshell, as they say, cameras come back up. It's a very simple demonstration of the bits to look out for. There'll be more technical stuff to come, but thank you for watching.